So today I'll be teaching you how to prepare spaghetti and plantain. So first of all, my name is Eric Chisom, aka Chef Chi. So this is my spaghetti and I have my tomato paste right here, me, and this is also my plantain. This is also my onion and my vegetable oil. It's about to go down now. I'll be doing the Bible method. I added my water first and my spag inside the water because the water that's going to reach my cooking. Okay. Then I had to add all this spag. In student life now we have to eat. So I added my salt inside it, and now I brought it already and I'm about to sieve it out. So I'm sieving it out after stirring. So I have to stir it to separate some drinks and spaghetti. After stirring it, then I have to sieve it out. And this is my sieve here. And I sieved it out. I rinsed it. Then I want to use the frying method. Understand me right now? So this is my oil in my dry pot. And I put the rounded tomato and pepper. Now I'm a student, I told you already. As an undergraduate, you use this grater. When you're going outside to find the tomato and pepper, after stirring it, I added my tomato paste that I showed you. And I stirred it how to make everything dry very well and properly. Okay. Added my salt and 4 cubes of Maggi, and this is the Maggi right here with me. This is the 4 cubes of Maggi. I added it inside and added water and keep stirring because I know it's already dry. Then I added quantity of water that's going to reach. So do the remaining job. Okay, so after stirring, I allowed it to boil and it has boiled already. Just have to leave it for like 3 minutes. And I put my spaghetti inside it, using my hands to separate the ones inside that are joined together already. So I have to stir it now to mix everything and all the ingredients. Then I rinsed my plantain and I would just want to add something on top of. So I rinsed my plantain, student life. Since there's no egg or no fish, I had to use this plantain. I had to fry it. After washing, I sliced my plantain. Sliced it. Make sure I slice it to the point that when I'm eating, I make I use this plantain with many. I added my salt and I used my hand to mix it properly well. I mixed it and I keep mixing and I fried it. And now this is it inside the plate. Fried it and I'm dishing out my spag. Please follow my page and subscribe. I need more subscribers, okay? Come and join me. Thanks for watching my video. I'm eating my delicious meal right now. Thank you.